Hey guys, welcome back. So today, guess what we're making? Oxtails. So I'm gonna start seasoning right away with my green seasoning that I had made in a previous video. I have that linked in the description box. Also, I'm gonna follow that up with some brownie, and then I will just mix it in real nice so it can marinate. Okay, so now that we've finished mixing, we're moving right on to the powdered seasoning. We have Maggi all-purpose, smoked paprika, Mrs. Dash original, some adobe all-purpose, some soy sauce, and some Old Bay. We're just gonna add that in, rub it in, and these seasonings are approximately a tablespoon each. And also, please be reminded that you do not have to use these seasonings. Use whatever you have available to you, whatever you have laying around your kitchen. Just make the dish your own. Spice it up the way you like it. So here I go now, rubbing. So this is in the morning, guys. I'm seasoning my meat in the morning before I cook it. Okay, so now that the marinating is out of the way and hours have passed, we are now going to cook our meat. I'm going to start by browning each side before I cook it down. You do not have to do this step. You could put it in an instant pot or a pressure cooker for up to an hour and everything will be good still. So we're just gonna brown each side of each piece and repeat this for the second batch and move on. Now that all our pieces are browned and looking gorgeous, we're going to add them to a little water in the saucepan. And if you're Caribbean, you know that I am going to rinse out this dish and pour the water into the pot. Be mindful that this kind of meat takes a long time to cook. This took me almost 2 hours to cook. I just checked at 30-minute intervals and added water as necessary to keep it moving along. This is my last check. I'm gonna shake it for the test, and if it shakes, then it's done right there. I'm gonna cover it and leave it for a few more minutes, then I'm gonna move on. At this point, we're gonna add our butter beans, scallions, onions, carrots, and some red bell peppers to the pot. We're also gonna conclude with approximately 2 tablespoons of ketchup and some country pepper, and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes more, and I am through.